have to
51 Gleis 17. Intercity 81 nach
want to go to Zurich main street, spend some time, and then go to my hostel because Zurich main street is excellent.
Interregio 16 nach Wagen, Aarau, Bern, Abfahrt 19 Minuten, Gleis 40. Interregio 37 nach Lenzburg.
This is IC train, intercity train
Abfahrt 19
coming from Passau or St. Gallen. So this is platform 8 in Zurich main station. Train, only restaurant, bar, so nothing else. I don't know where it is going because it is not displayed anything. So this is an old vintage train, but only restaurant and bar. For 6 hours in the trains. Excellent digital ports in Zurich main station. Now it is 6:55 p.m. I have to take S4. So now S4 is 6:58, but I will go later train because I want to spend some time in High Street. Okay, tram and go old city. Sorry. So this is tram number 10 going to Zurich Flughafen. That means Zurich Airport. So I take next tram, which is number 4. So normally I used to take this in the year 2004 when I came to Switzerland first time. So it goes to Old City. So I take that and I go 5-6 stops and I will come back here. Then I take my luggage from the locker and I go to my hostel. So this is my plan for now. So next Bahnhof North is coming, 2 minutes. This is the main tram station in front of Zurich station, Zurich main station. So that is Zurich the main station, you can see from outside. That is Zurich main station. Very important and very old, excellent building. You can see time now 7 p.m. Sorry. So it is BBCFFFFS. That means Federal Railways. That is written in 3 languages: German, French and Italian. So this is the main building. So I am just now waiting for tram 4. I hope it is not going. So this is the main area in Zurich city. So this is the important, very important business like shops, supermarkets, mainly shopping area. Excellent. So you can see all tram, like tram number 6, tram number 17, tram number 7 going different places. 6 is going to zoo. So 17 and taking this tram number 4 I will go 5-6 stops to explore old city and then I come back. This is tram number 4. So I no need for ticket because I have a pass. So pass is valid in even the trams, buses, ferries, everywhere. So this is almost empty. Tram 4 number 4.
Bahnhofsgate, Hauptbahnhof, Main Station.
This is the first station I used in the year 2004 when I first came to Switzerland. I have landed in Zurich and I took a tram from here to go to my hotel. This is Zurich main station, Hauptbahnhof it's called, main train station. So you can see several tram lines connecting here, number 3. It's very neat, see, excellent maintenance of trams. We can't see even a single dust spot on the windows. That is tram number 17. This is tram number 13. All blue color. We are waiting at the signal. I think it is better to walk. It's busy now.
Seagate, Hauptbahnhof, Main Station.
Zurich bus station. We can see Flixbus, all private buses. See, it is very quiet. compared to train station. Trains are hundreds in number, buses are very less. It is looking like a small town's bus station, not Zurich bus station. So we can also see the timings here, digital display. So okay, all going out of country also. Zurich Airport, Pittsburgh, Hamburg, Germany, Budapest, Hungary, Munich, Paris, Berlin, but all Flixbus, Dortmund, Zagreb, so all going to different countries, France. So this is again tram 4 to go back to Bahnhofplatz, like main train station. I don't want to spend too much time in Zurich because I have to go to hotel, and tomorrow I have to go to Zermatt, number 4 place. Got down from this tram here is Bahnhof. So this is the main train station in Zurich. Excellent building towards main business district or shopping area, because this is very important in Zurich. So I'm just crossing the tram line. So trams are slow and they stop for people. This is pedestrian crossing. So this is very important area in Zurich for shopping. I just walk for some time, few minutes, and then I come back. If I find any Indian restaurant or any Subway, I will have my dinner here. So my hostel is a bit maybe far from here, so I don't know whether I can get good restaurants there or not. I'm not sure. This is the main important area in Zurich as far as shopping is concerned. Expensive area, very important. I can't find any restaurants, not even Subway. So it's all shops, all excellent high street shops. I can see tram 13, beautiful tram with blue color and clean windows. Bahnhofstrasse, Schweizergasse, so it's all our street names. See the beautiful garden here. So statue garden, and people are just sitting and relaxing in the evening, in the night. So all shops, high street brands. There is one more street. So different streets have different names. Excellent. Tram 17 is going in opposite direction. Beautiful tram. You can see this is Asteristrasse. So one more street, Asteristrasse. So it is looking like a Sanskrit name. All these names. This is main street, main road. And this is one more road. You can see 21 tram going this way. I can't find any restaurants here. You can see beautiful Swiss flag. People going to different shops or maybe coming from offices. So this is Zurich main street, Bahnhofstrasse. Bahnhofstrasse means station street. So you can see straight his station, and you can also see tram number 7 and tram number 17 coming this way. Tram number 7 is going to, I think, something pads. I can't read from here. Oh, Woli Chauffeur Platz. So that is the area it is going. See the beautiful decoration of shops. At least we can spend one day. I wish I could spend one day in Zurich, but I'm only spending like 7 days in total in Switzerland. So Zurich is a city, so I'm just visiting scenic places, beautiful villages, mountains. So Zurich I have visited like long back in 2004. I have stayed here for 3-4 nights. So but not this time, maybe next time. So Zurich maybe 1 or 2 days, Geneva, but again we have to spend like 15-20 days if we want to do that in Switzerland. It is very expensive. One more tram is coming, 6. So this area is totally trams or suburban S-Bahn. Here suburban trains are called S-Bahn. I have to take S4 now. So S4 is a route I have to take to go to my hostel. Outside images. So just they are dining outside under the umbrellas. I am going towards Bahnhof station and I have to take my luggage. I have put my luggage around suitcase around 12:20 p.m. So now I have to take out. I have paid 7 francs. I hope that is enough for almost like 8-9 hours. I will see. So first I have to go. So I can take the subway to go to Bahnhof station. This is the subway. So we need to cross the mountain in the center of the station. It's a good idea. So it's a bit relaxing to see this. These are the different shops in station. I'm just looking for the lockers. I don't know exact way. Someone told me to go this way, but this doesn't look like that because there are platforms 41, 44. Left side information, yeah. So left side I have to go. I have taken same route in the morning, in the afternoon today. So you can see locker, key, suitcase and waiting room. So this way, exactly, yeah. Thanks for the person who told. Locker 9, so this is 15, 14, 18, 17, 19, 12, 11, 10 and mine is 9. 9:26. So I am in 9 station. What I have to do? First I have to press English language and collect here and then put my code. £3 extra. So afternoon I have paid 7. Now I have paid 3 francs because of time. So after paying 3 francs by card, so this door automatically came out and I took my luggage from here. So this is my luggage stored here from luggage. So I have to go to platform 21. So it is 7:58 S4. S4 means suburban train. So I will take that. I have still time. So I will wait here somewhere. So I have to go to platform 21. You can see left is 21 to 34. So I took train to St. Gallen, Romansham at 34 platform. Now I have to go left 21. You can see all 3 to 10, 11 to 18, 41 to 44, all the platforms here. So I have to go 21. I will eat something. I have to check platform 21. See how beautiful the train station is. This is one of the busiest in Switzerland, but still it is very neat. Excellent maintenance. So I have to go 21. So 21 this side, 21 and 22. So small escalator I have to take to go to 21. I just wait for the train. I don't want to rush wait till last minute and onwards. Bookshop, flower shop, bouquet shop and Lohenstrasse, that means one more street, Lohen Street, Doschenbosch. This is the cheapest reasonable priced. We can get shoes, chappal, everything. So right side is 21. Straight go, if we go straight, that is Gessenerelle. I don't know what it is, but 21 here. This is platform 21. So my train is at 7:58. I just arrive in 6 minutes. I think 5 stops, 4 stops. So, but this is very fast. This is suburban train, right? So if I take tram, I have to change 2-3 trams. That's why I'm just waiting and taking this S4. You can see S4, 17:58, 19:58. Now it is 7:45. So just 3-4 stops for me. S4 I have to take now. It starts at 7:58 p.m.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah. I have to get down at Bruno at 8:20:04. It will start now 17:58, 19:58. So this is the trigger. I'm going towards my hostel. It's just only 5-6 minutes by this suburban train S4. So only 4 stops. This is Zurich suburbs, Zurich city, not suburbs. This is suburban train going to suburbs. My hostel is in Zurich city only, main city. See the beautiful buildings. This stop Brunau. Only like 5-6 minutes from. This is the S4 which I took from Zurich Hauptbahnhof to this place, Brunau. So this is going to Langnau. So it will reach Langnau at 8:20 p.m. Another 15 minutes. So this is pure suburban train. So it covers suburban area. That's why it's called S4. See how beautiful it is. So Zurich, Brunau. So from here I have to walk like 550 meters, 550 meters. First I have to lift my suitcase on the station which I got down. So this is Muggenbuchstraße. I have to take this Muggenbuchstraße and I have to take right here. So as per Google, so I am just going. This also looks beautiful, excellent area. It's only 5 minutes by train from Zurich main station. I have to go like 450 meters. Then I get my hostel, Zurich Youth Hostel or Youth Hostel Zurich. Let me check Google once again. Yeah, I'm going correct. I'm going in correct way. So now I have to walk for 400 meters. So not a problem. The pavement is very nice. I can just drag my suitcase. It has got good wheels, so no issues for me. I can just walk by seeing beautiful houses, flats, see the whole old house, old flats, and then immediately next to it is new flats with glass, seating area like balcony. So now my hostel is another 350 meters. So it is on the same road. No need to turn left or right. See the beautiful building. Flats number 60. Number 71. This is 62. So there is also bus stop here. So tomorrow morning I will see if I can take bus here and go to Zurich station. But train is very fast. It's only 5 minutes. This is Tujastrasse. Tujastrasse is a bus stop. You can see the Fiat garage, Fiat showroom, sorry, not garage. Another 250 meters. So one bus is coming, 72. Electric trolley bus is going to Milchbuck. These are new flats. Number 88. That is number 85. Excellent. So see the beautiful buildings, flats inside. The red color flats. So there is no, every building is unique. So they are not following the same, same design or architecture or color. So each building has its own architecture, own design. So wanted to going this way, opposite direction. I am almost there, like maybe 100 meters from my hostel. This is 102. Looks like almost there. It's only 90 meters from here. So this red building might be my hostel. I am staying here only for one night. And tomorrow morning I am going to Zermatt, where I will take Glacier Express and Gornaghat Express. Yeah, Hosteling International. This is the one. So I have to lift my suitcase because the floor here is not good. This is a beautiful building. See, the little kid is smiling that I am recording this video. So the hostel. The waiting area, sitting area, is a lounge. This is the working area. Excellent work area. I will come here and I have some work. I came to first floor. This is 107. These are dustbins and 110 room number. So this is 111, 112. Mine is 109. So you can see showers, WC. So this is 108. Mine is 109. I am going to have something for dinner because in the hostel not many vegetarian options. There is one vegetarian dish, vegan, but it is 15 francs. So that is too much. And he told me that there is an Italian restaurant. Yes, I can see it. And also Migros M. So I will eat something like pizza. I never had pizza in this in this trip. So I will just see how much vegetarian pizza, small pizza costs. So, but whatever it is, I have to eat something. In the lunch also I didn't have enough food. See, beautiful Zurich. Excellent. So we thought that it is a big city, congested, pollution, nothing like that. So I'm just going to enter this restaurant, Pizzeria, started in 1968 before my birth. Restaurant inside, it is excellent, beautiful. I love something vegetarian, maybe pizza. And ask pizza. I'm eating pizza in this trip. So first time in 2 months. This is my bed for one night in Zurich. So looking good pillow and charging point. So everything. So I am in lower bunk.
మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.